In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a timesheet in BambooHR. First of all, log into your BambooHR account. Once you are on the home page, click on the My Info icon located in the left-hand side menu of your screen. When you open this section, click on the Timesheet option to access your timesheet area. Here, you'll be able to view and edit your timesheet easily. If your pay period is based on the last 15 days, you will see your last 15 days timesheet displayed here. Similarly, if your pay period is set on a weekly basis, you'll see your last week's timesheet instead, and you can edit it as needed. For example, if you worked on a particular day but forgot to record your working hours, you can still create an entry for that day. To do this, hover your mouse over the day you want to add time to, and you'll notice an option labeled Add Time Entry. Click on this option, then enter the amount of time you worked for that day, and click on Save. That entry will now be added successfully to your timesheet for that day. If you already have existing time entries for a day but wish to modify or delete them, hover your mouse over that specific day and click on it. You'll now see all the entries and sessions recorded for that day. If you wish to edit one of these sessions, hover your mouse over the session and look for the pencil icon at the end of it. Click on this icon to make your changes. You can adjust the time duration, add notes if needed, and then click on Save. The changes will immediately reflect in your total time worked. If you entered something by mistake and want to delete it, hover your mouse over that entry again, click on the pencil icon, and look for the Delete Time Entry option at the lower side of the pop-up window. Click on it, then confirm by selecting Delete Entry. The entry will be removed. In this way, you can edit or delete any part of your recent pay period timesheet before it is sent for approval. That's how you can easily edit your timesheet in BambooHR.